Matt Armstrong, a well-known car rebuilder, is attempting to repair a crashed Bugatti Hypercar in Miami, Florida. The car belongs to FXAlexG, a supercar collector. Matt will reveal the full project on January 11, 2026. This is a big rebuild process because Bugatti doesn't allow independent mechanics to work on their cars. Matt is challenging their rules. 2 days ago, Matt posted on Instagram with the message, "Call out boys are on call out." Nobody understood what he meant. The call-out boys are his team members, the people he brings in for difficult projects. Today, Matt posted a photo of Bugatti brake parts and a countdown timer ending on January 11th, 2026. This confirmed he's in Miami working on a Bugatti right now. The post includes the tag NOW by creators, which means this is a major project with professional filming and financial support. Matt didn't just announce a future project, he's already working on the car. He has spent 2 days examining the damage and planning the repair. January 11th is when he'll show the public what he's been doing in private. That video will reveal how badly the Bugatti is damaged, what parts need replacing, and whether the repair is actually possible. Matt normally works in the UK, but he flew his team to Miami for this project. This tells us two important things. The car is too damaged to ship. Moving it across the ocean could cause more damage. Also, parts may be easier to get in America. Bugatti has service centers in the United States that stock parts. Getting those parts to the UK would be harder and take longer. The brake parts Matt photographed aren't ordinary brakes. Bugatti brakes are designed to stop a car with more than 1,500 horsepower traveling over 250 miles per hour. Each brake caliper costs tens of thousands of dollars to replace. Because Matt is focusing on brakes, we know the crash likely damaged the front or back of the car. If the damage was on the sides, he would be looking at doors and body panels instead. Bugatti controls everything about their cars. They don't sell parts to independent mechanics. They don't publish repair manuals. They decide who can work on their vehicles. They punish owners who break these rules. Bugatti punishes owners in several ways. They refuse to repair cars that independent mechanics have touched. They ban owners from buying future Bugatti models. They prevent owners from attending official Bugatti events. They may refuse to sell limited edition cars to these owners. FXAlexG owns multiple Bugattis and other rare supercars worth millions of dollars. By letting Matt work on his crashed Bugatti, he's risking his relationship with the company. This suggests either he believes independent repairs can work just as well as factory repairs, or he's frustrated with Bugatti's strict control over repairs. Bugatti doesn't have to sell parts to Matt. They could refuse, which would make the repair impossible. Critical parts include the W16 engine. If the engine is damaged, Matt needs a replacement. Bugatti doesn't keep spare engines in stock, and they won't sell them to independent mechanics. Carbon fiber body parts are custom made for each car model and only available through Bugatti. Bugatti vehicles use proprietary software that requires factory tools to program. We don't know exactly how Matt is being paid. He's either being paid to do the repair, FXAlexG hired him like any other mechanic, or he's doing it for video content, where the YouTube views and sponsorships make the project profitable, even if the repair itself doesn't pay much. If Matt fails to complete the repair, his reputation suffers. Everyone in the car world will know he couldn't rebuild a Bugatti. This could hurt his credibility for future projects. If Matt succeeds, he will prove that independent mechanics can repair the most exclusive cars in the world. This challenges what Bugatti and other luxury car makers have been saying for years. Bugatti claims only factory-trained technicians with special tools can fix their cars properly. If Matt succeeds without factory support, it proves that Bugatti's rules exist to protect their profits from repair work, maintain control over their brand image, and keep independent mechanics out of the luxury car market, not because the repairs actually require factory involvement. Success could inspire other independent mechanics to attempt similar projects. It might force luxury car manufacturers to change their policies. If Matt fails, it would confirm that some cars genuinely need factory support. It would prove that Bugatti's specialized tools and training are actually necessary. Parts scarcity makes independent repairs impossible, and the manufacturer's control exists for legitimate technical reasons. A high-profile failure would discourage other mechanics from attempting similar projects. It would strengthen the luxury car manufacturer's control over repairs. There's no middle ground. Either Matt proves independent repairs work, or he proves they don't. Because this project is so public, the result will influence the entire exotic car repair industry. The reveal video will answer key questions. We'll see the damage assessment with photos and video of exactly what's broken. Is the front smashed? The sides? The back? How much of the car needs rebuilding? We'll learn the engine condition. The W16 engine is the most expensive and hardest part to replace. If it's damaged, the project becomes much more difficult. We'll find out about parts access. Will Bugatti sell parts to Matt? Or is he working without their cooperation? This is the difference between difficult and impossible. We'll understand the collaboration details. How involved is FXAlexG? Is he helping with parts purchases? Is he making videos too? Or is this entirely Matt's project? We'll see the timeline and budget. How long will this take? How much will it cost? What's the plan if something goes wrong? Matt Armstrong is attempting something no independent mechanic has done before: rebuilding a crashed Bugatti without factory support. He's already in Miami working on the car with his team. The January 11th reveal will show us whether this project is ambitious or impossible. If he succeeds, he changes the rules for exotic car repairs. If he fails, he proves why Bugatti's restrictions exist. Either way, this is the most important automotive repair project of 2026. The entire car community will be watching to see what happens. Subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss the January 11th reveal.